Hi guys, I want to show you my sample fashion for today. Look guys, my outfit for today, a polka dots guys. I really love it, the black color guys. Ayan. I buy this guys for only 250 pesos. I really love it guys. Ayan, pack na pack siya guys. So, yung aking likuran, ayan, nag-shape na siya guys. Ayan, I really love it guys. I really love it. Ayan. My simple fashion for today. Ayan guys, I'm so happy guys. I'm so happy of this because ayan, nag-sale na siya guys. Yung dati siyang 350 guys. Dati siyang 350 tapos ayan 250 na lang guys kasi nag-sale siya. Nag-sale siya guys. I really love it. And look guys, my hikaw. Ayan guys, my what is that? My ano guys, hikaw. Ayan, my earrings. Ayan. My earrings, I really love my earrings. So, until hanggang dito siya guys. Ayan, ang ganda. So, ayan guys. So, ako po ay ano, lalabas today guys. Ayan. I'm going to post office. Ayan. I will check my ano guys. I will check my Google AdSense. Ayan. So, this is my outfit for today. And then, ayan guys. It's so hot here in the Philippines. It's very hot guys. Just like me. It's so hot. So, I need to put a lotion guys. One of my ano. Ayan. Sun protection. Ayan. Ito yung aking ginagamit na lotion guys. Everyday nalalabas ako. Ayan. Everyday. When I go outside. Ayan. Ito yung aking ginagamit na lotion. Ayan. For my sun protection. Ayan. Ito yung aking ano guys. Ayan, ang ganda nito. I really love this. Ayan. One of my favorite lotion na ginagamit guys. Ayan, ang ganda nito. Ayan, so, ayan guys. I feel so beautiful today guys sa aking outfit for today. Ayan, I really love it. Ayan, pack na pack siya guys. Ayan oh. I really love the dresses guys. One of my fashion dresses, tea bags, and swimsuits ay mga lingeries guys. Yan yung aking mga fashion. Ayan. So, ayan. Ayan guys, I'm finished. So, this is my simple outfit for today. Ayan guys. I feel so ano guys. I feel so hot today. At ang bango. Ang bango ng aking lotion guys. Ayan. Parang ako ang bango. Ayan. Ang sarap amoy-amoyin guys ng lotion. So ano, smells so good. Ang ano niya guys, ang sarap niya amoyin. Ayan, so ayan, this is my outfit for today. Ayan. I really love it. Ayan, I feel so beautiful today guys. Feel so young and beautiful. I really love it.